subtraction, and also we solve example in which we need to simplify the examples. It means addition and subtraction is given and you need to simplify the expression. Okay, likewise that we performed in integers. Okay, today we will start the multiplication of rational number. So here in multiplication of rational number, what is multiplication of rational number? It is same as a product of their numerators divided by product of their denominator. Means if two rational numbers are given, then you need to multiply the numerator of rational number and divide multiplication of denominators. Let's take some example for this. Here example 1, multiply first 3 by 4 by 5 by 7. Okay, so here you can write multiplication of numerator, that is 3 multiply 5, division 4 multiply 7. This is same as we perform the multiplication of fraction. Okay, but rational number is include the negative fraction also. So here 3 5s are 15, 7 4s are 20. So this will be our answer. You only need to multiply the numerators and denominator. If there is a common factor between numerator and denominator, then you can also cut the common factor. So let's take second example. 3 by 7 multiply minus 4 by 5. This is same as a multiplication of numerator divide the multiplication of denominator. So 3 4s are minus 12. Here one negative sign, so answer is minus 12. 7 5s are 30. So multiplication will give answer minus 12 by 30. Now let's take next one. Minus 5 by 9 by 4. As I already told you that whenever there is a whole number, then there is a denominator 1. So here you can consider minus 5 by 9 multiply 4 by 9. Now multiply numerator with numerator, so it is 5 4s are minus 20 because one negative sign. Divide by 9 1s are 9. Clear? Whenever whole number is given, multiply it with numerator. Now next one, minus 36 by 7 by minus 28 with 9. So minus 36 by 7 multiply with minus 28 by 9. Now, as I told you, whenever there is a common factor between numerator and denominator, you can cut the common factor. So you can cut here 7 4s are 28, 9 4s are 36. Now here we have minus 4 multiply minus 4. So answer will be 16 because minus minus plus. So this way you can also solve, or you can multiply 36 with minus 28, minus 36 with minus 28, and divide whatever answer you get with 63. 9 7s are 63. That's right. Clear? Now let's take second example. Simplify minus 8 by 7 multiply 14 by 5. So here you can write minus 8 by 7 multiply 14 by 5. Here you can solve this example in two ways. You can multiply minus 8 with 14 and 7 with 5. Then divide whatever answer you get for 8 multiply 14 with 35. Or you can cut the common factor because you can see here 7 2s are 40. Now here multiply minus 8 with 2, divide by 5 as it is. So we have minus 16 by 5. So this way you can also solve the example. Now let's take some more example. Here example 2, 13 by 6 multiply with minus 18 by 91. Okay, so here you can write 13 multiply minus 8 divide by 6 multiply 90. Now 13 7s are 91 and 6 2s are 6 3s are 80. Okay. So here we have minus 3 by 7 because minus 18 is there. So in a numerator we have minus 3 and divide 7. So it is minus 3 by 7. Now next one, minus 5 by 9 multiply with 72 by minus 125. So minus 5 is multiplied with 72, 9, 125. Now 25 5s are 125. So we can consider here 25. This minus sign and minus sign will be cancelled out. 8 9s are 72. So answer is 8 by 20. Now next one, minus 22 by 9. So here minus 22 is multiplied with minus 51 and 9 is multiplied with minus 80. Now here 22 fours are 88. Here negative sign will be cancelled out. Here you can find out the factor of this, that is 17 threes are 51, and here we have a factor of 9 3 threes are 9 and 4. So you can cut the common factor 3. So answer is minus 17 by 4 threes are 12. Here we have common factor between 51 and 9, that is 3. So we can factorize minus 51 as a minus 17 threes are and factorize 9 as a 3 threes are. So 3 will be cancelled out. So answer is minus 17 by 40. It is 12. 4 threes are 12. Okay, so this way you can find the answer if you cut the common factor of numerator and denominator. Now let's take one more example, that is simplify. Here you can see brackets are given. So these two rational number are the multiplication, these two are the multiplication. After finding the multiplication of that, you need to subtract the answer. So let's find, it is minus 16 multiplied 20 divided by 5 8. So we need to solve this, and then 50 multiplied minus 35 divide 5 multiplied 3. So here if there is a common factor between numerator and denominator, you can cancel out that. So you can see 5 4s are 20, 8 2s are 16. So we have minus 8. 2 4s are 8, but here negative sign, so answer is minus 8. Now here you can cancel out 7 5s are 35, 5 3s are 50. Now here you can see the negative sign, so it is minus 35 answer. So minus 8, minus plus 35. So one negative, one positive, that is an integer. So here answer will be 27. Clear? Now next one, minus 3 by 2 multiply 4 by 5 plus 9 by 5 multiply minus 10 by 3 minus 1 by 2 multiply 3 by 4. So here we will solve each brackets because there are multiplication, and as we apply the Degas property, then we need to perform the multiplication first. So here minus 3 multiply 4 divide 2 multiply 5, that we need to perform first, plus 9 multiply minus 10 divide 5 multiply 3 minus 1 multiply 3 2 multiply 4. You can directly write the answer, that is 2 4s are 8, 3 1s are 3, 9 10s you can cancel out the factor. Okay, you can skip this step also. So let's multiply. Here no common factor between numerator and denominator. So we multiply 3 4s are 12, minus 12 because 3 is minus, and 2 5s are 10. So it is minus 12. Okay. Here it is common factor. So we can cancel out minus 6 and 5. Okay. Plus here you can cancel out 3 3s are 9. So it is minus 30 by 5. Also you can cancel out 6. So answer is minus 6 here. Here we have 3 by 8. Clear? So what we have? Minus 6 by 5 plus 6 plus minus 6 is there, minus 3 by 8. Now we need to take the LCM of, here denominator is 1. So LCM of 5 and 8 and 1. So LCM gives 40. Okay. It means minus 6 by 5 needs to multiply with 8 to get 40 here. 6 minus 6 needs to multiply with 40 because denominator is 1. And 3 needs to multiply with 5 because to get denominator 40 we need to multiply it with 5. Now we have 6 8s are minus 48 by 40 plus minus 240 by 40 here. 6 multiplied 40 is minus 240 and minus 15 by 40. Okay. So we have this is minus 48, this is minus 240 and this is minus 50. So if you add this numerator, because denominator is same now, you will get minus 303 by 40. Clear? Now next one, minus 7 by 18 multiply 15 by minus 7 minus 1 multiply 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 multiply 1 by 2 multiply 1 by 4. So now let's start. Here you can cancel out this minus 7 and minus 7. Let's write it again. So it is minus 7 will be cancelled out here. So we can write 8 into minus 7 plus 1 is multiplied with minus 1 is multiplied with 1 by 4, so it is 1 by 4, and 1 is multiplied with 1, 2 4s are 8. Now here you can simplify this. 7 will be cancelled out. 5 3s are 15 and 6 3s are 18. So common factor 3 can be cancelled. So here we have minus 5 by 6, minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. Now take the LCM of 4, 6 and 8. So we have 24 LCM. LCM if you find, then it will be 24. Now here 6 needs to multiply with 4 to get 24. So minus 4 is 5 is also multiplied with 4. 4 is multiplied with 6. So 1 is also multiplied with 6. 8 is multiplied with 3. So 1 is also multiplied with 3. Now here we have 5 multiply 4 is minus 20 divide 24 plus minus 6 by 24 plus 3 by 24. So here minus 20 minus 6 plus 3 divide by 24. So we will get, it is plus because this negative sign is cancelled out. So minus 20 is plus 20. Okay. Please correct it. This is not minus 5, it is plus 5. So 5 4s are 20. Why? Because minus 7, so sign also become plus. Now 20 minus 6 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. So it is 17 by 24. So this will be our answer. Okay. Here some examples are given. You need to perform the multiplication of that. Let's take some more example in which we need to simplify. So here minus 25 by 8 multiply 2 by 5 minus 3 by 5 multiply minus 10 by 9. So let's start. Here you can cancel out this 25 multiply 2, 8 multiply 5 minus 3 multiply minus 10, 5 multiply 9. Now find out the common factors. So here 5 5s are 25, 2 4s are. So here we have 5 by 4 minus, here you can cancel out 3 3s are 9, 5 2s are 10. So we have minus 2 by 3. So LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So here 5 by 4 is multiplied with 3 in the numerator and denominator, and minus 2 by 3 is multiplied with 4. Why? Because LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. Now we have 5 3s are 15 by 4, 15 by 12. Now minus minus become plus. Here minus, so it is 8 by 12. Now 15 plus 8, that is 23 by 12. Clear? This is same as we perform subtraction and addition of rational number. Now let's take next one. 1 by 2 multiply 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 multiply 6. So here 1 is multiplied with 1, 2 is multiplied with 4, that is 8. Now here 6 in a numerator and 2 in a denominator, you can cancel out 3 2s. So answer, here we have 3 only. Now LCM of 8 and 1 is 8. So here 3 needs to multiply with 8 in a numerator and denominator. So we have 1 plus 24 whole divided by 8. 3 8s are 24 plus 1. So it is 25 by. So this is the answer. Now next one, minus 5 multiplied 2 by 50. So here you can cancel out this 5 3s are. So we have minus 2 by 3 minus. Here you can cancel out common factor 3 because 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. So we have 2 and 3 in a denominator. So minus 4 by 3. Minus 2 multiplied 2 is minus 4 divided by 3. Now here you can see the denominator is same. So no need to take LCM. So we can write minus 2 minus minus plus 4 divided by 3. So we have 2 by 3. Now let's take next one. Here you can cancel out 3 3s are 9. So it is minus 3 multiplied 5, that is minus 15 by 4. Plus here you can cancel out any factor? No. So 13 5s are 65. 2 6s are. Now take the LCM. So here 15 divided by 4 needs to multiply with 3. So here 15 3s are 45, but it is minus divided by 12 plus 65 divided by 12. So we have here 20 divided by 12. Now if there is a common factor between 20 and 12, then you can cancel out. So factor of 20 is 4 5s are and factor of 12 is 4 3s are. So we can cancel out common factor 4. So answer will be 5 by 3. Otherwise if you leave 4 3s are 12 as it is, then it is also correct. So if you leave 4 3s are 12 here, then you don't need to take LCM because 12 and 12 denominator is same. This way you can also solve the example. Otherwise you can cancel out the common factor and then take LCM. Both answer will give same answer. So here some example are given for a simplify, perform the multiplication and then perform the addition or subtraction.